out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow.
Good morning, guys. Kuwang ko si Jenna. Ham and cheese croissant. I-toast ko daw mag-konti. Meron tayong isa, diba? Yung butter. And si Kuya, tumawag na sa akin kanina. Di ba nag-sleep over siya doon sa friend niya. Ngayon naman, nung tumawag siya sa akin kanina, nagpaalam na pupunta naman sila doon sa isang friend nila, sa Bay naman yun. Kila Max. Kung saan nagsiswimming lesson si Holly. So, doon daw muna sila, tapos magra-ride daw siya ng bike. Kasi kung hindi mo naman dala yung bike mo, mayroon daw na spare doon sa friend niya. Sabi ko, how about helmet? Meron din daw. So, doon si Kuya. And, today, ano na ba? 11:36 na ng umaga. And nakapag, ano na ako guys, nakapag hot bath na ako. And naglagay ako ng rosemary sa buhok ko ulit. And sinuot ko ulit yung aking PJs. Kasi sabi ko, mag-PJs lang ako today. Kasi, ang pangit ngayon ng araw guys, ay araw ng panahon. Ang gloomy, kahapon, the other day, ang ganda ng weather. Yung sikat na sikat ang tirik na tirik ang init. Gagano na naman ang battery ko. Ngayon, ang gloomy. Nabanggit ko ba? Kinuha na ni Jen yung ano, yung aming Christmas tree. So, magkakabit tayo ng Christmas tree today. And okay itong PJs kasi para hindi ako matusok-tusok ng mga spike ng ating Christmas tree kasi iikot na naman ako dun sa likod niyan para ilagay yung ano ba, Christmas light. So, yan yung gagawin namin. Sabi ko kay Kuya, sana makauwi siya bago namin ilagay yung Christmas tree para tumulong din siya. Baka hindi kasi nagpaalam nga, punta dun sa isang friend niya. So, ipipress ko lang tong ang bango talaga ng croissant sa ano, Baker's Delight. And nag-tear apart yung mga ano, ayan oh. Ang lambot, ang bango, ang lambot. Compared dun sa isa, kung maalala niyo. Yung sa Coles, mas gusto ko talaga to. And yung aking kakainin is, alams na yung lobster na may kangkong at sitaw. And yung mga bata, lulutuan ko sila ng, ano, sinigang san sasabihin ko. Tinola na manok. Meron akong tinola, itutola. 2 chicken na legs lang yung ititinola ko. Kasi sabaw lang naman yung parang gusto nila dun eh. Kasi magpa-fried chicken ako. O depende sa kanila. May 2 chicken akong sineparate para lang magka-flavor yung tinola. Kasi yung ulam talaga nila is, tingnan, laki ng gypsy ha. Yung fried chicken, yung minarinate ko. So, yun yung kanilang namatay. Ayan, nagpalit lang tayong battery. And meron pa ako ditong china-charge. Ewan ko na lang. Na-accumulate natin tong mga batteries kasi nakailan Canon na tayo. Yung G7X. Oops, yung oops, ang init. Ayan. Do you want me to cut it, Han? Sure, this is big croissant, Han. Ang bango. You don't want me to cut it? Alright, okay, it's ready. Yan yung papaya na nabili ko. Hinain ko nung, hindi kagabi, nung isang araw. Matigas pa siya, pero matamis naman, pero matigas. Mas gusto ko sa papaya yung malambot. So, ilagay muna natin siya dito na uminog. And, so I still have the, adobo, the chicken. Alright. And ito yung ating lobster. Okay. And yung breakfast kanina ng mga bata ay ito. Wheat bix. So, hugasan ko muna yung mga pinagkainan nila dito. Ubus niya na yung croissant. Bawas ko ikan. Dito yung ating ilalagay na Christmas tree. Ayan. Pero syempre, may bata talagang hindi nilalagay sa... Who's this?
Not mine.
Of course, it's mine then. Kasi wala namang aamin eh. Hana? Ang gloomy ng labas. And di ko alam kung magluluto na ako ng tinola tsaka fried chicken para sa lunch nila. Kasi pinag-iisipan ko na mag-roast sana for dinner. Ayaw man ni dyan. Hindi talaga matuloy-tuloy yung roast ko. Di ba matagal na ako gusto mag-roast. Andito pa nga yung kalahati ng pumpkin. Kasi nga dapat sa roast to. Pero nagamit ko na to. Ano bang ginawa natin dito? Yung nagsabaw ako ng gulay. So wala. Hindi pa. Meron akong chicken dito. Kung gusto nila. Pero busog pa raw sila. So gawin ko na lang yung tinola tsaka fried chicken mamayang gabi. Maya-maya ko na lang siguro lutuin. Holly, do you wanna eat anything? If you don't want rice? Cheese platter. So mag-cheese platter na lang daw sila. Okay, gawa ko ng cheese platter. Mayroon naman tayong pang cheese platter dito. Lagay ko kayo ulit dito. Okay, gawa tayong cheese platter para sa kanila. Natin tong chopping board. Meron ko dito ng cheese. And meron din ako, kasi nung kagabi ba yun? Ayun, kagabi nag-cheese platter din akong konti. Kasi konti lang yung kinain ko dun sa, sa golf club. Masarap to guys, yung, eto, yung bula. Creme fresh. Ayan, masarap siya. So, dinip ko dito ay chips. Yung aking parang lace na chips. So, yeah. So, hindi siya advisable na mag-stack ng ganito kasi napapakain ako ng guys, ng chips. Kasi ang sarap niyang i-dip. Ang dami nilang binukas na jats. Okay ba ba? Okay pa. Wala akong I don't have fruits baba. Fruits. I don't have it's alright. Who opened this? We still have, and then who opened this one? Yung mga batang to. Do you want this sweet sweet cheese?
Mom, you know that cheese you had before?
The apricot?
That cheese.
Yeah, the sweet cheese.
Yeah, I like that cheese.
Okay. Gusto niya yung sweet chili cheese. Call Kuya Sak.
Pardon?
Call Kuya Sak. O, diba, yan lang yung i-offer ko sa kanilang cheese.
Kuya Zach, do you want cheese platter? Cheese platter? But there's no fruits.
Yeah, there's no fruits. Ala, sa Monday pa ako pupunta ng town.
Shit.
Meron pa yata akong blueberries. Did I still have blueberries? Wala na. Eto na lang. Matamis naman to eh. Mag-cut na lang ako. I-cut ko na lang to. Matamis naman siya. Medyo matigas nga lang. Ako kasi, mas gusto ko yung medyo malambot. Okay lang sana matigas. Konting matigas. Pero ito kasi medyo matigas pa talaga siya. I'm just gonna cut papaya too, Baba.
Yes, please.
Favorite to ni Holly eh. Ito na lang yung sa side. Tapos ako, kain ako ng eto. Tapos, lagay namin yung Christmas tree. Si Jan, yun na nga, hindi niya naman alam kung anong gusto niyang kainin. Pag nakakain siya, ganito, kumain na naman siyang lunch. Syempre, hindi siya gutom. So, parang ayaw niyang mag-request ng pagkain. Pero pag wala siyang kinain, ay, Diyos ko, nag-brainstorming ang kanyang ulo. Kung ano-anong gustong request. May pa-dessert pa yan. Pero lately, si Jen talaga hindi siya masyadong kumakain din, guys. Napansin ko yan. Simula nung nawala si dad niya. And, after nun yung mama ng friend niya, tapos yung friend niya. Yung parang sunod-sunod. Yung parang yun napansin ko. Hindi siya, tsaka, hindi siya yung energetic. Alam mo yun? Kasi, hinahayaan ko talaga siya hanggang ngayon. Hindi pa siya yung Johnny Boy ko na, alam niyo yun, yung active na active. Basta napansin ko, hindi siya makapalakain ng, yung bongga. Kasi pag lagi tinatanong ko siya, minsan sabi niya, ganun lang siya. Before, pag tinatanong ko siya kung anong gusto niyang kainin, mag-iisip siya, alam niyo yun. You want that one? Gusto ni Sak yung, yung wash your hands, you went outside. Ito yung maliit na bell pepper na may cream cheese. Masarap kasi ito. You can have this too. Okay. Ayan yung cheese platter nila. Ito lang ma-offer ni Mommy. Yeah, that's it. What's that? I have here. Yeah, if you want more, favorite nila to. If you want more, you can ask for more. What's that? Yeah. We do have salami. May salami pa pala ako. Check natin. December 19 pa siya Say hi. Say good morning. I don't have to cut this, okay? I'm just gonna put it here. Daddy looks so down. No? Ano siya, guys, si John? Hindi pala kibo. Pag doon lang sa halimbawa, yun, pag na-occupy siguro yung isip niya, yung, katulad kahapon, golf, okay. Tapos ngayon, na naman siya. Have you noticed that? Daddy is not like, bubbly like before? Huh? Have you noticed that? So, be good to Daddy. You're always good. Ayan, guys. Diba? Pinag-chismisan yung Daddy. Okay. So, ako naman, kakain na ba ako? Hindi tayo magpa-fasting. Magpa-fasting ako, pero hindi yung, alam niyo yun, consistent. Pero, yeah. Huwag tayo mag-fasting natin. Baba, eat now, please. I'm gonna eat too. And also, mag-live siguro ako sa Facebook. Habang kumakain. Mag-live ako sa Facebook para may kachika ako. Wala palang kanin, guys. So, nagsaing pa akong kanin. Hindi pa ako nakapag-live sa FB kasi nagsaing muna ako ng kanin. Ayan. And si Sak, where's Kuya Sak?
He went to
The bay.
And where the rocks are near the beach, where my dad does fishing. Because rock is there.
Fishing. Nagpi-fishing sila doon. So, si Sak naboboard. So, umalis. So, paano na yung Christmas tree? Hinihintay ko nga si Kuyang dumating. Umalis naman si Sak. Nandito yung aking, lobster. Ayan. Ininit ko na. Wala pala tayong kanin. Yung gulay na lang. Ang sarap nito, guys. Gawin nyo to kahit sa sa crab. May crab kayo. Kahit pritong isda or daing ang ilagay nyo. Sarap. Gusto ko nga gawin yung ginawa ni Mamang Gulay kasi nag-live yung kapatid ko bago magbagyo. Nag-live siya. Ang ulam nila ay ginataang malunggay na ang sahog ay sardinas. Oh my God, ang sarap. Sarap ni Mama Maggulay, guys. The best si Mama Maggulay. Walang etchos. Sarap siya maggulay. And yung cheese platter natin, ayan. Hindi nila kinay kasi medyo matigas. So, ako na lang.
May babaya.
Ay, yung gamit kong lipstick, lip tint to, guys. Naglagay lang akong lip tint para naman may kulay yung ating buhay. Yung ano to, BLK. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong shade nun. And bare face lang tayo. Kasi wala naman tayong pupuntahan. Pansin ko, parang nagla-lighten yung aking, ano. Pansin ko lang, hindi ko alam kung kayo din. Yung melasma ko. And nanonood ako ng sa Netflix, yung Kill Me or Love Me. Chinese siya. Ayan, kinakain niya kasi kinakain ko na. Alright, hintayin ko muna yung rice ko. Magla-live na sana ako. And eto, para bukas. Or we'll see. Baka pasayin. Ano ba yung pasayin? Yung kainin ko lang na ganyan. So, yung Christmas tree natin, naghihintay doon. And yan yung weather natin. Kanina, tsaka kagabi, umulan. Umulan kagabi, tapos kaninang umaga. But today, ayan yung weather natin. O, diba? Pinufokusan niya na. So, naubos din yung papaya. And mag-e-edit muna ako habang naka-on yan. Edit muna tayo. Nilagay ko to dito para sa aking paa. Diba? Ganyan. O, diba? Relax day lang tayo today. Kasi hindi ko pa magagawa yung Christmas tree. Kasi wala akong katulong yung boys. So, mag-edit muna tayo. And luto na yung aking rice. Ang bilis ng oras. Alas 2 na agad. Okay. So, ayan na. Ininit ko ulit. Kasi lumamig siya nung nagluto ako ng kanin. Anong oras na ba? Oh my God. 2:26 na, guys. Wala pa yung mga boys. So, kain muna ako. Nagugas ako ng 2 sili. Siyempre. So, kain. Mag-live na ako. Nakaset up na yung pang-live ko doon. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, pero hindi pa siya naka-on. Ayan. Ito na yung mga bata. 3:20 na ba? Katapos ko lang mag-live din. Ay, hindi naman. Siguro mga 10 minutes. Tapos nagugas ako. And si Kuya, what did you say, Kuya? You're not gonna eat dinner?
No, later.
Why? Ayaw nilang kumain ngayon.
I'm not either.
Si Jan, ayaw din. So, ano na? So, hindi ako magluluto. Ha? Your kids don't wanna eat. What do you mean it's good? I have food to cook. Hala. You're not kasi nga kumain. Kasi kanina, di ba umalis din sila? Umalis din umalis din sila, sino ba yun? Si Kuya, si Sak. Siguro magkinain sila dun. Si Kuya, busog na busog daw siya. So, eto, well, see guys, iset up na namin yung Christmas tree. Yun ang gawin natin. Gusto ko sana magtinola na. But, palit ako ng battery. Just in case lang. Kasi di ba kanina, nagpalit na tayo. Palit ulit ako kasi, alam niyo naman, limited lang ang life ng ating battery dyan sa camera. Okay, where's the red
carpet?
The red carpet. Ah, yeah. Okay, come on, boys. Come on, please. Put this one away. The broom there, Papa?
Is that outside?
Yeah, it's outside. Dami na agad na kalat.
Go that far.
What? I know. Sabi ni Jen, yung makeup daw ng, sakto no? Yung makeup daw ng mga characters, nagka-crack. Makikita mo talaga, nag-ano siya, nagkikiki yung mga makeup nila. Kung napanood nyo na yung, yung Love Me or Kill Me.
Ma.
What time did they go to bed? 2. I think I was the first one awake.
Maybe we'll put that one there.
Yeah. But the nose.
Oh, I've stayed up longer.
Alright. Okay.
That thing doesn't work.
Okay, put that one here. Okay, next. I think you have to do this one. This Christmas tree, Kuya, same as your age.
Yeah, I need a new one.
No, it's alright.
Do you have any old shots for tomorrow?
Kaedad ni Kuya yung Christmas tree.
I'm just wearing
Yours
Crocs.
for some reason.
Why don't you just wear Crocs? No, not. I should just wear my shoes I wear to school. Got holes in them and everything. I'm not like that.
Ang gagawin
Yeah.
ko ay,
I'm doing this.
ilagay ko na, paikutin ko na dito yung Christmas light bago ko ilagay yung next niyang branches.
But we just
Go,
pull
yeah.
down a bit.
Huh? Yeah. I think we need the, you know that thing, yeah? What you call the ant? The lock? The L? Do we need
Allen cake.
Not that.
No,
Where's
the hook. I don't know, it's not here.
Oh, you're obviously.
You think so? It's not gonna collapse?
How's it going to collapse? No wind in here.
Okay, find the Christmas.
Unless Mum falls into it again.
Where's the Christmas tree? Christmas lights.
You don't need to put the lights on there, do you?
I have to now.
Oh, well then I have to go there and do anything.
Where's the Christmas light, Baba?
Dad,
Careful,
look.
careful. Is it there? No, I don't think it's there. Hello, where's the Christmas light? Parang nandun sa isang box. So, babalik si Jan dun sa sa shed
I know you're not
para
doing
hanapin
that.
yun.
I'll finish it.
Pero imposible hindi ko siya nilagay sa sa box.
Tie.
Wow. Yeah, you have to pin it.
Yeah,
No,
over
so,
7.
unahin na lang muna namin dito.
Under 7.
Careful. You have to...
I think these ones go on top or not.
Zach, this one there, Zach.
Sure there's no lights in here?
No, that's all the... Ay!
Fucking
Can I come? I'm coming.
Oh. Where are we gonna put this one?
You want with Dad? Put it up top on there.
No, because we're gonna... Hanapan ko to ng position. Baba, give me all the wooden. Nandun pa ba to? Sana all okay pa sila.
Yes, they are.
They are. Call daddy.
Quick, go.
Call daddy.
I
Sorry.
can just go front way.
Be careful, ha? Andito yung Christmas light. Wait lang, wait. I'll check. Hala. No, it's in there. This is the broken one.
We gotta be careful.
Oh, we only have 3, remember?
Tell daddy.
No,
This is the...
we have 5, but they're the ones that don't work. We only
You have to go. This is the broken one. Sorry.
Yeah, but we only have 3 left.
No, this is the broken one.
Yeah, so we only have 3 left.
Yeah, but it's not in the box. Maybe it's in the other box. So this is not good. No, that one is alright here. This one, I think. Yeah, this one goes there. And this one too. I think.
No, they don't turn on, only this one.
Okay, here, put it there. Kasi, eto dito to.
Mom, that one, it has one stand broken off.
Yeah, I know.
What does?
That one.
So, hindi ko na tinanggal yung frame kasi wala akong paglalagyan ng frame namin.
Might that look good, Mom?
Yeah.
Okay.
On there. And that star there too, Baba.
This
Oh,
one has a
no,
hook.
no, this one here.
And it turns
Yeah.
on.
So, ayan. Tapos na tayo dito. Okay, that's all good.
And guys, Holly, of course. Holly. This is, where my
Auntie Mel.
presents
That one from
will
Auntie Mel.
come, yeah. And Clear TJ. I don't know what color Zach is.
Yung itsura niya dito, guys.
I'm gonna take this off for now.
What?
My Santa hat. Santa Claus is here. Hold closer to the night. His Christmas is like the best because you get presents.
And Papa Gino's birthday.
Yes. Also that. So it's the best one.
Ah, gumagana pa yung kanyang battery.
Oh. Feel like I want you, baby. Don't feel like I need you now. Wait tonight, though, baby. All you gotta do is just meet me at the Don't you want me like I want you, baby?
Is it there?
No, this is from the shop.
Oh,
Couldn't find it.
there's none there.
No. Ready?
Yeah, see? Sabi niya package. So we got only
How do you
two.
know those are the only ones that don't work?
Because I'm...
Wait, one of them
So
has
where's the other one? So kulang pa tayo ng isa.
They're down there.
It's empty, yeah.
No, they're not. They're full.
What? Where? Which one is full?
Oh. No, we have to.
So we have to be...
So you don't put them so close together.
I know. So we...
Spread them out.
Yes, we have to spread it out. Okay. Alright. Paikutin ko lang muna to guys sa, sa Christmas tree. Okay.
Wait,
So, paikutan na natin siya ng Christmas light. Itong isa. Yeah. The second big one. That one. Okay. Sana magkasya yung Christmas light natin. Dito na ako sa pangalawa.
Tonight. Not that you want.
What's that? Ito yung first roll natin ng Christmas
and
light.
it's already up to nearly the top.
I
We only
know.
have one more tree to go up on there, and then you
Parang
know,
na-spread ko naman ng too much.
if you don't need to spread the other one that much.
No, because I'm almost on the top. Okay, yeah, where's the other one?
Oh, sorry. Rainbow.
Siguro.
Okay, Mom.
You have to put it down here.
Mom.
Put it all down.
Okay, guys, I'm done hanging. Done this. You guys can see.
Kawawa na yung ating Christmas tree.
Okay, Mom. I did it.
I think this will be his last year, huh?
Why?
Look.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay pa daw, sabi niya. Okay pa daw tong hanggat tumatayo tong Christmas tree.
Alright, Mom, I have another one, and this one's purple.
Tingnan nyo, ang dami pa natin i-ano. Parang nasobrang ko naman yung pag-spread. Baka wala nang
The other one was a stocking,
Hindi
guys,
maging
but this one's the Christmas tree.
malinaw, mailaw ba?
So this time it's a Christmas tree, and it has so much
Put it
glitter.
on my phone.
Okay, I'm gonna tie this one up, Mom, now, because it has glitter. Oh, this one.
Para to
I got the
check
string
first
from
kung
here.
under to.
I got the string from this because we don't have any string. But
Wala. Oh no,
what?
it's not working.
What?
The light.
None of them work.
That one I checked, that one is alright. Hanggang hindi siya
Why
umilaw.
not you working?
I don't know, it was last year. Ayaw talaga. Paano na yan? Yun na lang naman sa top. Yung sa top na lang. I-try ko to. pinagkasya ko yung isang Christmas light natin. Niredo ko yung dito sa part para makaakyat. Ayan, meron siya. So, hopefully, maliwanag pa rin yung Christmas tree natin. So, yung next is yung mesh.
Guys, since there was no glitter on this one, now there is actually glitter. Because I was getting this one, this glitter to get it. This one to scrape it off the thing to get on this Christmas tree. And I'm still doing it.
It's not like it's always there. It's stuck. It's stuck.
Ayan. Paikutan na natin siya ng mesh. Now, we're gonna put the decoration.
Yay!
Okay, come on. Nahilo ako nung kakainin ko. Come on. Put all the gold.
Mommy, do you mind if my hand?
Oh, red.
Put your hands.
Red.
No, I don't want. No, not red. It's still the same gold.
You just want Christmas light.
Huh?
Christmas light.
Come on. So we can finish it now.
Come on.
Put all the gold, please.
Oh, but they don't even have things on it.
You just hang it or just put it inside. Insert it.
Yarn.
Mommy, where I'm gonna put my string on my other one that I'm doing right now.
Hindi ko ilalagay yung
Oh, this is what I made.
yung crystal ball. Ay, crystal yung mga babasagin na balls kasi
So I made in reflection of that. In
baka mabasa. Wala akong carpet dito eh.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
Pinailawan na ni Zach. Ilalagay na yung angel pero si Jam maglalagay kasi mahirap siyang ilagay. Diba? Akala ko ba star?
What about Star? Or not?
Done.
Okay, Christmas tree done.
Christmas tree done.
Okay.
Magra-ride na siya. Nagmamadali na siya. Rico.
Oh,
See you. Enjoy your dinner.
Where are you going?
Barbecue. So, ayan. Maglilinis na ako, guys. Yung lights, hindi ganun, ano, dito parang wala. Nag-order ako. Pero hindi natin malalagay na. Pero mag-order ako para next year. So, yan na yung Christmas tree natin na i-push din natin. And, ayun yung sa side. And, yun. Pinalitan ko yung dito. Kanina red, diba? Yung si Santa. Ayan. Yung sack na white yung nilagay natin. And, dyan talaga siya nakalagay before. Tama si Kuya. And, speaking of Kuya, ayan si Kuya, tulog. 6 o'clock na, guys. And, hindi sila gutom. 6:02. Ayan. 6:02. Ayaw na nilang kumain. And, eto mga tuping, kagabi, madaling araw ko siya kinuha sa clothing line. Umulan. Dali-dali akong lumabas para kunin ko to. Kasi alam ko dry na sila. Akala ko kasi hindi uulan kagabi. So, yeah, ayan. Tutupin ko to. And tatapusin ko rin pala yung aking ini-edit para may vlog ako mamaya or bukas. Tapos, yung mga bata, kung magutom sila, meron akong nuggets sa freezer. Yun na lang ipakain ko sa kanila. Kasi, at the moment, hindi pa sila gutom. So, ayoko naman lutuin yung tinola at fried chicken tapos walang kakain. Di ba? So, yun guys, mag-nuggets na lang sila mamaya pag nagutom. So, end ko na yung vlog. Yun na yung vlog natin. At least na lagay na natin yung Christmas decor and Christmas tree. But yeah, yun na yung vlog natin for today, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Goodbye. Bye. Good night. Bye daw, sabi ni Sak. Bye, Sak. Bye, Sak. Bye, guys. Inom tayo ng tubig. Naho ako, ah.
In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.